नमस्कार आदरणीय महानुभावहरू। आज चाहिँ म हिस्ट्री अफ मेडिसिनको बारेमा चाहिँ कुरा गर्न गइरहेको छु। र प्रिमिटिभ मेडिसिन के थियो त भन्दा होमियोप्याथी सिस्टम अफ मेडिसिन। फाउन्डिङ फादर अफ होमियोप्याथी इज सामुएल ह्यानिम्यान, जर्मनीका थिए। प्रिन्सिपल अफ होमियोप्याथी सिस्टम अफ मेडिसिन, फर्स्ट प्रिन्सिपल सिमिलिया सिमिलिबस करेन्टर। Homeopathy is a system of pharmacodynamics based on treatment of disease by use of small amount of drug that in healthy person produces symptoms similar to those of disease being treated, known as human drug pathogenicity study. Second principle, single medicine at the time of treatment. Third principle, minimum dose to be used. Ayurveda system of medicine. Ayurveda means the science of life. Tridesha theory of disease. Disease occur when there is a disequilibrium in three dosas, humors, namely vata, wind, pitta, gall, and kapha means mucus. Siddha system of medicine. Siddha means achievement. Is practiced in Tamil speaking part in India and abroad, based on notion that medical treatment has to take into account the patient environment, age, sex, race, physiological constitution, etc. Unani system of medicine originated from Greek, based on the humoral theory, blood, plague, yellow bile, and black bile. Patient character, sanguine or red or blood red color, phlegmatic, self-control, choleric, bad temper, irascible, and melancholic, sad, not happy. These are the patient character based on which Unani system of medicine has been classified. Profounder of theories in public health, germ theory of disease, Louis Pasteur, multifactorial causation of disease, Patin-Koffer, spontaneous generation theory, Aristotle. Discovery, intervention, and deployment. First vaccine developed, smallpox by Edward Jenner. Tom vaccination, Edward Jenner. Tom vaccine, Louis Pasteur. Vaccine, anthrax, rabies, developed by Louis Pasteur. First polio vaccine was Jonas Salk, developed by Jonas Salk. Penicillin, first antibiotic, Alexander Fleming. Growth chart, David Morley. Homeopathy, Samuel Hahnemann. Blood group type, Karl Landsteiner. Citrus fluid in prevention of scurvy, James Lind. Transmission of yellow fever, Walter Reed. And life cycle of Plasmodium by Ronald Ross. Author of important book in public health, The Canon of Medicine, Avicenna. The Book on Healing, Avicenna. Antiseptic Principle of the Practice of Surgery, Joseph Lister. Air, Water and Places, Hippocrates. Ayurvedic Text Nidana, Madhav. Chakra Samhita, Sashruta Samhita, Sashruta. Important contributor in public health, Hippocrates, known as father of medicine, first true epidemiologist. Wrote book, Air, Water and Places, first physician to reject superstition. Sashruta wrote Sashruta Samhita, is also known as father of plastic surgery and cosmetic surgery, regarded as father of Indian surgery. John Snow, father of epidemiology, modern epidemiology, studied cholera 1848 to 54 and established the rule of drinking water in its spread. Causative agent was identified much later. John Snow studied and calculated dose for use of either ether and chloroform as surgical anesthesia. Edward Jenner discovered smallpox vaccine in 1976, first vaccine to be discovered. Smallpox is the first and only disease to be eradicated. Poliovirus to eradicated on 20 September 2015. Tom vaccination was coined by Edward Jenner. Louis Pasteur gave the germ theory of disease, coined term vaccine, developed vaccine for rabies and chicken cholera, known as fall cholera, technique of sterilization and pasteurization. Some important honor. Cholera, father of public health, is a disease, not a person. Father of modern medicine is Hippocrates. Father of Indian medicine is Charaka. Hindu god of medicine is Tanvantri. Father of modern surgery, Ambrose Paré. Father of Indian surgery, Sastruta. Father of epidemiology, modern epidemiology, John Snow. Father of bacteriology, Louis Pasteur. Father of biology, Aristotle. Father of genetics, J. George Mundell. Father of modern anatomy, Vesalius. Father of physiology, Claude Bernard. Father of psychoanalysis, Sigmund Freud. Father of homeopathy, Samuel Hahnemann. Modern medicine, indigenous system of medicine and homeopathy have been now redesigned as a Ayush system of medicine. Ayurveda, yoga and naturopathy, Unani, Siddha, homeopathy, Sura, Rigpa, Tibetan system of medicine recently added. Revolution in medicine, type of medicine. State medicine, provision of free medical service to people at government expenses. Socialized medicine, provision of medical services and professional education by state is in a state medicine, but the program is operated and regulated by professional group rather than by government. Prevent competition between practitioner and client, ensure social equity, that is universally operated by professional health services, provision of medical services supported by state government. Social medicine, study of social, economical, environmental, cultural, psychological and genetic factors which have a bearing on health. First country honor. First country to socialize medicine completely is Russia. First country to introduce compulsory sickness insurance is Germany. First country to start family planning program, India. First country to start blindness control program, India. First country to establish fingerprinting bureau, India, Kolkata in 1897. Miscellaneous, isolation and quarantine. Isolation is a separation for a period of communicability of infected person from other in such a place condition is to prevent limit transmission to those susceptible. It applies to persons who are known to be ill with a contagious diseases. Quarantine, meaning 40 days, is the restriction of activity of apparently healthy person who have been exposed to a case of communicable disease during its period of communicability. It applies to those who have been exposed to a contagious disease but who may or may not become ill. Quarantine was first applied for plague. Quarantine period for yellow fever is 6 days, maximum incubation period. Quarantine currently have been replaced with active surveillance. Difference between isolation and quarantine. Separation of isolation cases, quarantine, healthy contact of cases done for case themselves in isolation, other healthy person around in quarantine. Level of prevention is secondary prevention or treatment in isolation, primary or specific protection in quarantine, duration till recovery, period of communicability till maximum incubation period. Smallpox eradication. Last case of smallpox in old 26th October 1977 in Somalia. WHO declared global eradication of smallpox 8 May 1980. Few important diseases in public health. Father of public health is cholera. Barometer of social welfare is tuberculosis. Slim disease is HIV/AIDS. Black sickness, Kala-Azar, leishmaniasis. Black death, plague. Cerebrospinal fever, meningococcal meningitis. Black-bone fever, meningococcal meningitis. Breakbone fever, dengue. Monkey fever disease, Casimir forest disease. 5 days fever, trains fever. 8th day disease, tetanus neonatum. 100-day cough, pertussis, whooping cough, Koch phenomena, tuberculosis, Hansen disease, leprosy, rubiola, measles, rubella, German measles, rubella, mumps. Quick review. History of medicine. First country to socialize medicine completely is Russia. Mark Kuska discovered K1 auto disable syringe. Plasmodium discovered by C.A. Laveran. Life cycle of Plasmodium given by Ronald Ross. Web of causation proposed by McMahon and Pogg. Spot map was used for study of diseases. Cholera. Louis Pasteur, 1822 to 1895, died in 1823. Shashruta Samhita was translated by Hessler. Cradle of civilization, Mesopotamia. James Lind is regarded to the discovery of prevention of scurvy. Barometer of social welfare is tuberculosis. Honor in medicine. Father of medicine, first epidemiologist Hippocrates. Father of public health, cholera. Father of modern anatomy, Andreas Vesalius. Father of obstructive ultrasound, Ian Donald. Father of modern toxicology, Matthew Orfila. Father of modern microbiology, Louis Pasteur. Thank you so much. यो चाहिँ मैले 10 मिनटको भिडियो अराउन्ड गराउन खोजेको यो चाहिँ जस्ट यहाँलाई रिभ्यूको लागि र आफ्नो इन्फर्मेसनको लागि रहेको छ। यहाँले चाहिँ लाइक र सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नबिर्सिनु होला। केही नयाँ कुराहरू छन्, कमेन्टहरू छन् भने पनि राखिदिनु होला। थ्यांक यू सो मच।